Hey, Linux and security concepts students. Today, I want to introduce you to Over the Wire, a community that has put together uh, a large collection of games or challenges that will help you hone and improve your skills in the security arena. Many of those skills have to do with the Linux operating system, a open source operating system that houses many of the tools beloved in the security arena. So we're going to start by looking at the most basic of the games on this platform. That is the one called Bandit. So from overthewire.org, I'm going to look up in the left and click the Bandit link and find out that the Bandit war game is aimed at the beginner, and it's going to teach you basics that you're going to need not only to play other games on this platform, but it's going to teach you some investigative skills to get you better at using the Linux command line. So how do you get started? Well, you should be able to use any command line. I have a couple virtual machines on my system, but let's just give the old Windows 10 command prompt a go. And I should be able to use secure shell as described in the upper left to connect to the Bandit simulated server. So I'm going to use username bandit0 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org, and I'm told I need to connect at port 2220 for the Bandit series of games. I hit the enter key. I get an authenticity message. Don't, have a nervous breakdown. We're just gonna have to confirm a key fingerprint. So I'm gonna just say yes. And we are adding the bandit.labs.overthewire.org to our list of known hosts. And we are asked for a password. Well, if we would have read down a little further on the Bandit page, we'd find out that BANDIT0 is the correct password at level 0. I'm going to hit enter and I'm in. Okay, so I am in Bandit at Bandit. This is a Linux operating system. So I started from Windows, but now I am in a Linux server environment. I can use the pwd command to find out that I'm in the home directory for the Bandit 0 user account. I can use ls to see the list of files in that directory. Very good. Now, I want to learn how to progress from level to level in this game called Bandit. That's the goal, is to get as high as possible in the levels. So how do I progress from this level 2 to level 1? I click the link and I can find out that the password for the next level is stored in the file called README. That happens to be in this home directory that I am looking at right now. And there is a file called README. So let's see what's in that file. How do you do that on Linux? It's the cat command. So let's cat README. Here is a long sequence of letters and numbers, and I'm told that that is indeed the password. So I am going to highlight that, right click it. Perhaps the better way here is to go up here. Yes, edit and copy. Okay, so the Windows command prompt environment works a little bit different from a Linux command. So I just have to get used to that. So now I've copied that password into the clipboard. I can exit back to my Windows command prompt and use the history, the up and down arrow, to cycle through and bring back a previously used command. But this time I want to backspace and find Bandit 1. So that is the specification for level 1 in this game. What was I told? I was told the password to achieve this level was in this README file. I copied that into the clipboard. So now let's try to get to this level. Hey, I need to put the password in. So let's go and paste and hit my enter key. And let's try that again, because I think I might have put an extra space in. All right, we're good to go. So make sure if you're using the Windows command prompt that you get familiar up here with the edit. You can mark off a section. You can copy and paste. So don't try to use your left mouse and right mouse with a context menu. Use this over here. So now we are at level 1. How do I know that? I'm looking at here and seeing I'm Bandit 1 at Bandit. I can also use the pwd command and find that I'm in the home directory for Bandit 1. Let's go one more round or cycle so you can make sure that you understand the plan. So now what do I need to do? I'm at level 1. I want to find out how to get to level 2. So I go here to the website, click level 1 to level 2. I'm told the password for this level is stored in a file called dash, located in the home directory. So let's see. ls. Yes, there's a single file. I can do the long listing. A single file owned by the Bandit 2 user named dash. You should recall from any introductory Linux training that naming a file dash or naming a file that starts with a dash is never a good idea in Linux because a dash has a special meaning. So if I try to cat this file dash, it's just not gonna work. You can see I'm just hanging there because the dash to Linux indicates a parameter. So the operating system's sitting here waiting like, give me some more information. So what do? I'm hung here. I can Control C, break out of that command. Now, how do I find out the contents of this file? Apparently, I can't just put the name of the file in because it has a special meaning to the operating system. Well, you remember this special character tilde. Tilde is a shortcut for my user account's home directory. Let's echo out the value of tilde, home bandit1. So I can cat tilde /dash, giving a full path specification to the file so the operating system is no longer confused as to my meaning. Let's cat that out. Ha! Looks like information I need. So again, what can you do? You can highlight over there the entire value, come up here if you happen to be using your Windows command prompt, edit and copy. Now it's in the clipboard buffer. Exit out of this level and go and specify not bandit1, but we're moving on to level 2. Okay, and now we need to put in the password. How do I do it from this Windows environment? I just go up here and paste. It doesn't look like anything happened because the password is silent, but if I hit the enter key, the password was accepted. So now you should understand the cycle. You keep moving from level to level to level. You can see I'm now at level 2, as indicated by bandit2 at bandit. How do I find out how to get to level 3? I go back to the web page, click that instruction on the left, brings me to the page that explains how to find the password for the next level. The machinations that you'll go through to rise from each level to the next keep getting a little bit trickier. Don't forget, you've got the man system at your disposal. You have the internet at your disposal. You've got Google, you've got other resources, Linux manual systems and pages and Linux tutorials. So just Wikipedia, use everything at your disposal. That is how you're going to be successful. So there's a lot to do here. There's a lot to learn. So I am imploring you to explore it all and reach the highest level that you possibly can and have a lot of fun doing it.